Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is 7122 standard with standard hose gun and lance. No automatic stop start. Fantastic for the lads that are running off generators. 120 bar, 7 litres. Pressure regulator valve, 22mm screw fitting outlet. Water inlet there, filter underneath there for protection. You need a proper filter with stainless steel mesh inside. Oil sighting glass. Only running at 1400 RPM, so slow ticking system, slow revving. On-off switch at the back, which has been moved now on this new type machine. One of the best in the marketplace. Fantastic machines. 22 kgs when you pick it up, but obviously it looks a very small compact machine. Looks very deceiving. And like I say, this comes with a standard hose gun and lance. We do it with the short gun as well if that's wanted. Thank you very much. Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube. Pressure gauge on the top, obviously protection on there. Pressure gauge on the top. Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube. What we've got here is a KRANZLE 7122. 7 litres, 120 bar. This is with the Obsessed setup. So stainless steel quick releases, ST2615 trigger, chemical resistant, low trigger force. System, swivel on the inlet, stainless steel. All stainless steel quick releases all the way around. We've also then got the protector here on this side. On the nozzle, that's a 40-degree spray pattern. Stainless steel on the genuine PA snow foam bottle. Stainless steel again on the outlet of the machine. So the machine itself only running at 1400 RPM. Fantastic for the detailing market and also the lads that are using generators. This machine is not automatic stop start, it's continuous run. So turn it on, turn it off. The system itself means it's not going to cause any problems with running on a generator. 1.6 kilowatt. Like I say, it's only running at 1400 RPMs. Pressure regulator, oil sighting glass, very easy accessible oil drain point as usual on all KRANZLEs. On off switch, they moved the on off switch on this machine. So that on the system itself you've got the on off switch there at the back. Best in the marketplace. Not even running when it's running. Stainless steel mini quick releases, 500mm lance, 600mm with the mini quick release with the protectors on. So all stainless steel with a slight bending you'll see on the lance. Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube. Weight of this machine, very compact, you'll see I'm very small, but the weight of it is 22 kgs. So they're not as compact as you think. When you come to get hold of it, you know you've got hold of it. Like I say, it's a proper industrial machine, not a toy town. like the others in the marketplace. Thank you very much. Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube.